Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best bathtub brush is probably one of the most sought-after cleaning tools for maintaining a sparkling clean and hygienic bathroom. Today, we will review this amazing cleaning brush with an extra long handle, which helps you reach every corner of your bathtub with ease, effortlessly tackling stubborn grime and soap scum, leaving your bathtub looking its best without the need for excessive scrubbing or harsh chemicals. We will explore its features, cleaning power, and overall effectiveness, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your bathroom cleaning needs. Number 5. OXO Good Grips Extendable Brush. Say goodbye to uncomfortable cleaning. It extends to reach those hard-to-reach places, so you can clean without the strain. With a simple twist, it extends from 26 inches to 42 inches. It's perfect for tubs, tiles, and even floors. Its sturdy bristles tackle tough dirt and grime on broad surfaces. The specially shaped bristles easily clean corners and grout lines. It pivots to clean at different angles, making it perfect for all your cleaning needs. Clean hard-to-reach areas with ease. The soft, non-slip grip ensures comfortable cleaning, even during tough scrubbing jobs. It's designed for your comfort and convenience. No more bending or stretching. It extends to the perfect length for cleaning those hard-to-reach spots. What we like? This brush extends to an impressive 42 inches, eliminating the need to bend or stretch. Its sturdy build and easy-to-grip handle make cleaning a breeze. If you have a large tub or struggle with bending, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? Very well made. Easy to use. Adjustable handle. The extension handle is great for reaching into a tub and onto the tub walls, when standing outside of the tub. The unit overall seems very sturdy. It has a flexible head, so the brush can maneuver into tight spots, which can be helpful. But I found that it was a nuisance for me when applying pressure on the fiberglass tub insert walls. It kept slipping and sliding around. Perhaps there is a better way to use it. Replacing the scrub brush with the tile scrubber helped, because there was more surface contact. This extendable brush is perfect for scrubbing the shower. I am very short and the tile around my tub goes to the ceiling. Cleaning the tub is difficult because I can't reach very high. This has been a lifesaver. I can easily reach all corners of the tub with the extendable pole that locks tightly into place. The head with the bristles moves around to get in the corners and the crevices under the faucet and around the handles. It also helps to easily clean the built-in shelves in the shower. The bristles are soft enough that they don't scratch or damage the tub or the tub surround, but strong enough that they effectively clean and remove soap scum and hard water stains. Number 4. Lalafancy Shower Cleaning Brush. It features an innovative locking head that swivels and locks into place, allowing you to clean from any angle without it flopping around. This makes cleaning easier and more efficient. This versatile brush comes with 3 interchangeable heads, a stiff bristle brush, a scouring pad, and a microfiber cloth. You'll be prepared for any cleaning task. The 50-inch extendable handle adjusts from 31.5 inches to 50 inches, saving your back from bending and stretching. Clean high and low areas with ease. Its unique triangular head easily reaches corners, grout lines, and tight spaces, ensuring a thorough clean without leaving any spots untouched. The lightweight yet sturdy iron pole is comfortable to hold, even when wet, thanks to the non-slip EVA padded handle. It also includes a handy hook for storage. What we like? With 3 interchangeable heads, this brush tackles any cleaning challenge. The locking head stays put, preventing accidental flipping during cleaning. If you're looking for versatility and a long reach, this is the one for you. What people say? The long handle gives you a lot of leverage. While the locking head adjustment is a little bit of a hassle, the fact that it locks at different angles does seem to allow for better leverage when scrubbing the walls of your shower. But the best part is actually the ability to scrub the tub or floor of a walk-in shower. You don't have to bend yourself over a tub or get on your knees in the shower. Much sturdier than I expected it to be. Built along the lines of a Swiffer except very sturdy. I was able to really push on the scrubber end without it breaking. I love the interchangeable scrub brush and scouring pad for this job. It was long enough, but while it did save my back a bit, I still leaned over a lot trying to get to certain parts of the tub, but not nearly as much. This was worth the and a truly great idea. Quite functional, especially for the tile surrounding the tub, made quick work of it. Really saves your back when scrubbing the bathtub. Number 3. Yocada Tub Tile Scrubber. Say goodbye to backaches. It features an extendable pole, reaching up to 58.2 inches, so you can clean high and hard-to-reach areas without bending or stretching. Easily adjust its length with a simple twist lock mechanism. Cleaning has never been so comfortable. Made with sturdy PP material and iron, it's built to last. Plus, the brush head and scouring pads are replaceable, ensuring long-term use. Its triangular scrubber pad pivots easily, reaching even the tightest corners. The thick scouring pad holds water for deep cleaning without scratching surfaces. The swivel design lets you clean easily, even in awkward positions. No more bending or straining to reach those hard-to-clean spots. It comes with everything you need: 3 poles, a plate disc, a brush head, and 2 extra scouring pads. You're all set for sparkling clean results. What we like? This brush boasts an extra-long 58-inch reach, making even the highest areas accessible. The replaceable heads ensure long-lasting performance. If you need maximum reach and durability, this is your best bet. What people say? It seems sturdy and it's very easy to adjust and maneuver. You can use it up high, all the way short, or down below you. Works good. I'm 6 feet tall and don't have to bend over at all to reach the floor of the tub or shower. Great back saver. Good quality. Good quality brush, strong handle and length. Great can change size, effectiveness for cleaning. Number 2. Qaestfy Shower Scrubber. Say goodbye to stubborn dirt and grime. This innovative scrubber makes cleaning your shower a breeze. It's designed to reach every corner and crevice. Its unique rotating head locks into 3 different positions for versatile cleaning. No more awkward angles or missed spots. With its extra long handle, you can clean your entire shower without bending or straining. It's also easily adjustable for convenient storage. This set comes with 2 different brush heads. One is perfect for scrubbing away soap scum, while the other tackles tough grout. Both heads are designed to be gentle on your surfaces, so you can clean effectively without causing any damage. They're also easily removable for thorough cleaning. Extend the life of your scrubber with our easily replaceable brush and scrubber heads. We've got you covered for long-term cleaning power. What we like? Clean every angle with the 180-degree swivel head that locks into place. The replaceable heads allow for customized cleaning. If you value precision and convenience, this brush is for you. What people say? Really cleans the corners and grout lines. Nice length so I don't have to bend over. Can lock head at several angles. This is the best product for cleaning and reaching hard to get places in a walk-in shower. My shower floor is back to white and gleaming like new. After years of killing my back scrubbing my bathtub, I decided to order this item and try it out. It arrived yesterday and I put it into service today. Not only was it easy to put together, everything worked just as described. Parts stayed in place and connected easily. It comes with 2 heads. One is a sturdy scrub brush, and the other is a sturdy sponge-like material. I used the scrub brush head on the tub, and was able to get into the corners and along the contours and bottom of the tub easily and quickly. It cleaned off all the soap scum and left the tub looking shiny and spotless. Number 1. MOSEN Shower Cleaning Brush. Say goodbye to hard-to-reach spots. It features an adjustable head that pivots 180 degrees, making cleaning a breeze. This brush boasts an extra-long handle, extending up to 50.4 inches. No more bending or stretching to clean those hard-to-reach areas. It comes with 3 interchangeable heads, a stiff bristle brush, a sponge, and a microfiber pad. You'll be ready for any cleaning task. From tiles and tubs to glass and walls, it tackles any surface. It's perfect for bathrooms, showers, and more. The kit includes multiple pole parts, handles, and cleaning heads. Everything you need for a sparkling clean is included. It comes in a beautiful gift box, making it a thoughtful present for friends and family. Give the gift of sparkling clean. What we like? This brush offers a 50-inch reach and 3 different cleaning heads to tackle any surface. The unique locking head prevents flipping, making cleaning more efficient. If you like a long reach and multiple cleaning options, this is the one for you. What people say? This really works and will not scratch your shower glass or tiles. I have tried several brushes, but this one worked the best. The extension poles are the best for those hard-to-reach places. Works perfectly for the shower floor. Had to buy one for my sister after she saw mine and tried it. The pole is sturdy and adjustable by removing a section. I ordered the replacement set of soft and scrubber pads along with the main set. The pole. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.